can we offer to this Lord for His 100th birthday? He wants only our love.
ప్రేమ స్వరూపులారా, ది బెస్ట్ వే టు లవ్ గాడ్ ఈజ్ టు లవ్ ఆల్ సర్వ్ ఆల్. మనం అందరినీ ప్రేమించాలి, అందరినీ సేవించాలి. మనం సేవించడం కోసమే పుట్టాము. ఈ సర్వీసులో మనం ప్రయాణమైనప్పుడే మానవత్వం అనేటువంటిది సార్థకమవుతుంది.
My life is my message, he declared. His message is love. His love manifests as seva, compassion, and various grand social welfare projects. His life is therefore a prema pravaham. Prashanthi Nilayam is the spiritual home for millions across the globe. Every corner of Prashanthi Nilayam has been personally blessed by Swami. Swami set up a Shiva temple at his birthplace, the Shivalayam. The samadhi of his chosen parents was visited regularly by him, setting an ideal. Every college building, school building was personally inaugurated by Swami. Inside the Prashanthi Nilayam, the Ganesha temple, the Subramanya temple, Gayatri temple, and Lakshmi temple were also inaugurated and consecrated by Swami. Additionally, construction of many
Sai đâu